let's talk about that popcorn situation there. How did that even come up in the first place?
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you, this is Popcaan.
Mhm.
As he put up the song, put up a picture with him and Barris the other day, I'm gonna tag underneath it, comment underneath it and say, great vibe, legends. Because Popcaan is a young legend.
For sure.
The first time I hear Popcaan, I know that youth have greatness about him. My wife can give an account for that. Because when I hear him, I tell her, say, I'm go big. But Popcaan, I know, say, me said that before me even meet him.
Mm-hmm.
Because I never know, but foreign me live when Popcaan are at the place. So I never know him, I never meet him, I never see him, I'm going to see him on TV or YouTube.
Mm-hmm.
See, but me hear. I even when I do the song them, girl them top, girl them pop, not the fool, them jump. One does jump and bust her head. But from me hear the song there, I say, yo, you're our next big one, yeah. Because he's so melodious and his voice different.
Mm-hmm.
So when Swab come, I hear him on it. And I reach out.
Mm-hmm.
And he reach out. He did one of my best production. He did one of the best songs I've produced.
Crazy.
Family, that song gonna live on forever. So I have to take off my hats to Mr. Sutherland, Popcaan, big up yourself, Andrea.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, you're the youth. Because here we do now. Him bring my name forward with the youths.
For sure.
Because every time now people hear them say, yo, Delly Ranx produce it, so the youths them know. So it's always good to reach out. Mm-hmm. I remember when we reach out to Popcaan, him and my father them clash and, you know, some people never see him in other like that. But me, you know, says a great artist that from me hear him from the first time I know. And I'm happy that he took the rhythm and record a good song on it. Even if we don't do no more songs together, you know, I have to give thanks for that because it make the platform for me, for the youths them.
Mm-hmm.
Version, I'm a family. See? Because if you notice, from 2005, 2006 I come up. My version for everyone I'm Riddim. Even I have an album called Sweet Reggae. Before version bust, me have a song with version on it. A song called Vibrate.
Mm-hmm.
Because I can hear the talent. You know, and the family Riddim, the Swab Riddim, me now go take the credit. We have to give credits to a youth named Keelstone.
Mm-hmm.
Them time them live in New York City because a Keelstone make the Riddim there. And then me and my manager take the Riddim and me do the production.
Crazy. That one there, big family. To this day, it's still a big song. From it came out to this day.
Yeah,
you play it anywhere.
I'm not gonna take all credits because we have to give credits to where credits is due. Mm-hmm. We have to big up Riddim, Super Mix Riddim from Friends for Real Family. Mm-hmm. We have to big up Riddim because Riddim do the mixing on it. You know, I went there and I add my percent of experience to the mixing, but Riddim do it. Mm-hmm. So we have to give the youth them props.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.